These Moston brand motion sensor lights from Amazon are quite convenient, but after a few months of use they show some erratic behavior. They turn on while the switch is in the off position, or they start flickering when in the sensor position. Instead of trying the obvious first, I went into the deep end immediately, but I'll show you the process anyway, so you don't have to figure out how to get into these lights if the solution shown in a minute does not solve your problem. I opened one up, which is done by first removing the white bit of plastic with a pick. Then I looked at the PCB under the microscope to figure out what components are used. There is a 8205A double MOSFET here, two very small transistors, and even a secret chip which doesn't have any markings on it. While measuring the various voltages, I found that wherever I measured on the board, the voltages were irregular everywhere, so I wasn't able to identify a single component responsible for the fluctuations. I did notice that I could influence the behavior by applying some pressure on the switch. So the solution I should have tried first was of course to spray some contact cleaner into the switch and see if that makes a difference. Which it does. After spraying the switch and wiggling it for a while, the lights work perfectly again. So if you have the same problem with these lights, no need to disassemble the whole thing, just unscrew the side panel on the side where the switch is, get yourself a can of contact cleaner and spray away the problem. That was a nice and easy fix, and a good reminder not to dive too deep too early. Best of luck if you have the same problem. Please leave a like and subscribe if you already haven't, and I hope you will join me in the next repair video. Bye then!